Hi there, my name is Angela Blue Skies, and I'm a professional musician in the greater Baltimore, Washington, D.C. area. And I'm so excited to share with you about a class that I'm going to be offering this fall through the Community College of Baltimore County. This is a series class, Intro to Native American Flute, and I have my Native American style flute right here to share with you today. The Native American style flute is one of the easiest instruments to learn to play. And in terms of technique and breath control, it doesn't take that much time to be able to start playing simple melodies on your own. Most students find that by the end of the first class, they're able to do enough to be able to start creating simple melodies. So in this series class, we'll learn new things each week. We'll learn the basics of technique, breath control, fingers, hand position, body position, and all of those important things, as well as interesting stylistic techniques that will help you to be able to play more interesting music. And in the class, we'll learn some simple melodies together, but I'll also encourage you to create your own original music that you can use for whatever your heart is calling. So if you are longing to find a way to create music in your life, but the thought of learning a traditional instrument is daunting, the Intro to Native American Flute class series is a wonderful place to start. Even better, when you sign up for the class, you will receive a beautiful handmade flute by the very same flute maker that I am holding here. So I hope that you will join us this fall for the series, and I wish you a beautiful day.